We're back with another video once again. Today was mail day, of course, which is why you see this and this beautiful, beautiful support little page. Also, I threw in these little cards I wanted to show off a bit. Got a mail day today, so kind of wanted to put it in a video. Never done it before, but just nines. No huge thing except for this, but it's a SRG, I believe. I don't really know what that grading brand is. Just got it off eBay. Nice play tester, first one. Love the silver border. Makes the cards look so nice. Crazy Critter Bald Mountain. All right, let's get to the main video though. Nightfall Revive. This beautiful, beautiful, beautiful skateboard set that came out with collab MetaZoo and Revive. I didn't get any Cryptid Nation first editions, unfortunately, so had to jump out on these. I was at work actually when these released, and somehow I still managed to grab 2 of them. I'm gonna open up another one probably on the weekend, get some more dopamine rush. But yeah, I heard this sold out in, geez, some people were saying like 20 seconds it sold out in, which is crazy to me because I could have sworn I took longer than 20 seconds. But yeah, so there's 11 cards in this set, I believe. The rares. Okay, my hands are sweating. Alright, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Oh, still not cut? Yeah? Oh, okay. It's just being difficult. Difficult, not difficult. Okay. Yeah, a little wiggle. Good idea. Okay, I don't know how to open this. Where's the, okay, that's the back of it. Alrighty, I think we're gonna do the redemption card last. Let's see what that is. I'm gonna get this lovely pack out. I'm gonna keep the pack, of course, too, for the collage wall when I'm rich. Yeah. Okay, these tabs are a little different. I don't want to jinx it, so I'm not going to say the name of the card I don't want, but it rhymes with the Bud Bevel of Boo Bounty. Alright. Ooh, Flying Manta Ray. Okay, not bad, not bad. Better than the Coup Devil. And the moment that I've been waiting for, I don't know about you guys, but the skateboard. I get a little glimpse of what it is in the background. No? Ooh. Oh, I'm so happy about that. Oh, yeah. That's fucking awesome. Alright, sorry for the swearing, but yeah, this is what I wanted. This is definitely a card I wanted. That's freaking fantastic. Alrighty. Good video.